Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking proportions so the eyes and nose sit naturally together. Use a central midline and mark the eye spacing, 1 eye width between pupils, then draw a light horizontal eye line. Place the nose bridge and base beneath that line so the nostrils align with inner eye corners. This keeps features proportional. Once done, sketch soft ovals for each eye and a faint triangle for the nose tip to guide value. Because correct placement prevents awkward correction. Now you refine contours and begin adding form. Carve the eyelids around the oval, define the iris and pupil, and mark a small highlight to fix light direction. For the nose, refine the nostril openings, wings, and bridge using subtle planar shifts rather than hard lines. This creates volume. Make sure to map shadows where the eye socket meets the nose and under the brow because these transitional shadows anchor both features together and sustain believable depth. Finish by blending midtones and deepening the darkest accents. Sharpen the rim of the iris and the bridge highlight while softening the cheek-to-nose transitions so everything reads smoothly. Add eyelashes and subtle skin texture. Adjust catch lights to match the light source for cohesion. Make sure to step back and compare both sides for symmetry. If proportions still look off, tweak shadow placement and erase visible guidelines because correcting value relationships is more effective than redrawing outlines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.